In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore your Wix website. This process is incredibly useful if you plan to make significant changes to your site or if you want reassurance that you can always revert to a previous version of your site if something goes wrong. So let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to wix.com. This will take you to the main page where you can log into your Wix account. Enter your login details, and once you're logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of the websites associated with your account. From your dashboard, locate and click on the Select and Edit Site option. This link will allow you to choose the site you want to backup or restore. The sites you have created will be listed here, so choose the site you need to work with. Once selected, click on Design Site. This action will bring you to the Wix website editor, where all the design and editing features are available for your use. Now that you are in the Wix website editor, look towards the top menu and click on the Site option. It will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your site. From this list, click on Site History. The Site History feature is where all your site's data is stored, allowing you to access and manage previous versions of your website. Next, you'll need to click on Go to Site History. This step is crucial because it brings up the entire history of changes made to your site. Once you're here, you'll see a list of past versions of your website. These are organized by date and time, providing a snapshot of how your site looked based on when the changes were made. Now it's time to select which version you want to revert to or view. Carefully browse through the list of backups, taking note of the modifications you recognize and when they were saved. Once you've decided on a version you want to restore, click on it to highlight your choice. Finally, click on Restore. A confirmation dialog will appear and you'll be asked to confirm you indeed want to restore this version. Confirm your selection, and Wix will start the restoration process. Once it's complete, the site will revert to the backup version you selected. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up and restored your Wix site. By following these steps, you ensure your website's data is secure and you can easily revert to a prior version if needed. Remember, keeping regular backups is a good practice to avoid losing valuable work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.